Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about what exactly is a OOPS, which is more important when it comes to a programming languages. OOPS in the sense, it's an object-oriented programming system, which is a programming approach where everything is built around objects. Just like real world things, we treat everything that we consider, everything that we gonna program as a real world object. Okay. So with the help of this OOPS, you can write a code that is more organized, reusable, easy to understand, and also easy to maintain. Simple understanding, we treat everything in our programming as an object so that it becomes easy for us to feel, organize, reuse, and also easy to understand and also to easy to maintain as well. So now you might have a question like why exactly OOPS? With the help of this OOPS, it makes code easy to understand. You can break down a bigger problem into a smaller chunks and you can easily solve the problem. Help in reusing the code again and again. Let's say, for example, any particular task if you want to repeat it multiple times. So in that case, OOPS is the best option and it keeps your data safe as well as protected. We have a concept called as an encapsulation, wherein you can protect your variables. Easy to update and add new features. You can update easily and you can add how many other features you want to add. And it's more organized way of writing program and works like real life objects, simple to imagine. Okay, the main four different pillars of OOPS are basically encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, as well as an abstraction. I'm pretty much sure you might be interested in knowing more about this, so definitely we'll study in upcoming videos. An interesting application of our OOPS is in our game development, in GUI applications, apps with buttons, windows, menus, we use OOPS. Web development backend system, OOPS plays a very important role. For mobile app development, banking and financial applications, about an ATM. So many people are using an ATM and it has a different functionalities. So everything is coded with OOPS. E-commerce websites, AI and machine learning projects, all these things are going to utilize a OOPS. Okay, this is all about introduction to OOPS. You might know like how do we assume everything as a real world thing? How do we organize it? How do we reuse the code? Right? So to understand more about the OOPS, definitely you have to watch the second video, which is components of a OOPS, wherein I'll be discussing about what is a class, object, variables, and methods, and also will do certain practice questions so that you will understand it better how OOPS is important and why it's important, how to implement. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.